pa namin itita ma-maintain amin sa rice terraces. Amin tima di carving kay half nating ratan ket kasla nga hanga ma-maintain ta DJ carving ti panda inasasikaso. Namadaki din ti apa na maintenance ti rice terraces. Mostly DJ carving kakaro itata kaawan ti apa agdalus ti uray babalasan kay babaru ti talon.
Anak nga nasanay. Ti ubing lang nga pa siguro taklang. Timhan ko ay concentrate mo pati talon sa eskwela kana ng pas college. Itatad ti anak ko. Ti siguro tak.
Sa mountain mayroong forest.
Pintas idi, pinagtalo si tao, magtatalo na. Tata, hangan ni parehas idi, hangan na pintas sa tata, pa, kata mga nagdadaw tipagan.
So as of now, the LGU tries to start the program with the development of the reforestation as source of irrigation to conserve water for the irrigation system for the rice terraces. So initially we were able to source out 5 million pesos to finance a 200 hectares reforestation and agroforestry project from the Development Bank of the Philippines, which is now under implementation to be targeted up to June 13, 2013 for the full completion of the project. We hope that leaders and incoming leaders will continually recognize this system and being continually adapted and implemented from year to year until such times all the damaged rice terraces and abandoned rice terraces will be rehabilitated and come into its originality for the best view of Banang.